Ram children, I welcome you back for our chapter 4 in maths, long and short. Children, we did book exercise and chapter reading in book. Today we are going to do workbook questions of chapter 4, long and short. So children, I hope you did your maths book activity, exercises, questions. What I told you you have to do in your book and what I told you you have to do in your notebook. That I hope that you have done. Okay children. So today we are going to start practice questions in our workbook. So children, let's come to our chapter. Question number first, long and short, measure the length of object given below present in your house using your body parts. Children, these are the things that we have to measure with the help of your body parts. Like book is at your home, toothpaste you are having at your home, doormat you are having at your home, mobile phone, briefcase and door. Okay children, this we have to measure with the help of our body parts. So children, let's start. So children, for book they are telling we have to use finger. We have to use finger. Like for a finger you will do a measurement with the help of finger. That one finger or two finger. For this we have to use the finger. So children, with the help of finger we are going to measure book. Now they are telling you have to use hand span for using toothpaste. Okay, so we have to use hand span. Hand span means like, now hand span means children you have to use your hand. Okay, like we are measuring something with the help of this hand span. Like this you have to measure your toothpaste. Okay, so children, how you are going to measure? You can have a view. Like this is your toothpaste. Like this you will measure. This is your hand span. Then put this, then like this. Okay, like this you will measure with the help of your hand span. Now children, they are talking about doormat. How you will measure your doormat? Yes, that also I show you. Now children, this is your doormat. Foot span, how you will measure? You will put your foot and then you will put your another foot, then you will put your another foot. Okay, like this you will measure 2.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter means 2 foot, 1, 2. According to that you will measure with the help of your foot. 1, 2, half. So like this you will measure your door mat. Now so children, I hope this is clear to you. Using finger, using hand span is this, finger is this, and your foot span is your foot. And children, do one correction in the book. Here we will use using hand span. You will write this same here. Understood? Because we are going to measure our door with the help of hand span, not with the help of foot span. Is this clear? So you have to do correction. What you will write instead of foot span, you have to write using hand span. Whether it is window or whether it is door, we can't use foot span. So this is door, so we are going to write here hand span. Okay children, now come to next question. Use the scale in geometry box to find the length of following object. In this, you have to find the object with the help of scale. So children, we are going to measure this with the help of scale. Like one object I will show you, then you will measure rest of them. Like first is our clock. So children, let's measure. Now you can see this is our scale, and from scale we are going to measure this. You can see easily this arrow we are measuring. So children, it is coming 2 centimeter. Same for other. This is our racket, badminton. So children, this we are measuring. This is also coming 2 centimeter. So you have to measure this arrow of these objects what they have given. I hope this is clear to you. So in this, what you will do, you will write like 2 centimeter. Like this you will measure, and then you will write. You will write under the watch. Understood? Like this is our watch. Okay. So here you will write it is 2 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Same, it is coming. Rest of you measure. Then it is also coming 2 centimeter. I measure. So it is 2 centimeter. You measure it. Now come to next question. Given below are the 5 routes between Rahini House and Lord Shiva Temple. Find out the shortest route and longest route from the her house to temple. So children, in this we have to find out the route which is shortest and which is longest. So children, route first is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. What will come? Route 1 will come. Yes, route 1 will come 3 3 6, 6 and 2 8, 8 and 4, that is 12 centimeter. Route 2 is children 11 centimeter. Route 3 is given 8 plus 3.5 centimeter. So children, what will come? It will come, yes, it will come 11.5 centimeter. It will come 11.5 centimeter. Understood? I hope this is clear to you. Now next, route 4 they are talking about. So your route 4 is, it is 2.5, 3, 2.5, 3, 3 and 4. So children, what will come? 3 3 6, 6 4 10, 10 plus 2.5, that is 12.5. Now children, next route 5, this is your route 5, 4 plus 5 plus 4. So what will come? 9 and 4, that is 13. So children, it will come 13. Now come to our questions. Turn your page. Route number 1, what route number 1 is coming children? That is, you know very well, 12 centimeter. Route 2 is coming, yes, 11 centimeter. You will write above the line, I am writing here. Route 3, what route 3 came? Yes, it is 11.5. It is 11.5. Root 4. Yes, root 4 is 12.5. Root 4 is 12.5. Now root 5. Root 5 is coming 13. Now which is the shortest route between Rahini house and temple? So children, I hope this is clear. Shortest route is this 11, that is root 2. So here you will write root 2 is shortest. Now children, they are asking for a longest route. I hope this is also clear to you. That is 13 and 13 is your root 5. Here you will write longest route is root 5. Here you will write root 5 and shortest route is root 2. Okay children. Now come to next. Determine the distance between two things person in the figure playground given below. In this children, you have to find out the distance. Okay, like they are asking your first question, that is mango tree and swing. Like mango tree and swing, what distance they are having? This is your swing and children, this is your mango tree. So distance is 30 centimeter. Now they are asking Gaurav and hand pump. So children, Gaurav and hand pump, can you see? Yes, it is 18 meter. Okay. Next they are asking Geeta and entrance gate. So children, look, Geeta and entrance gate is 25 meter. Now next they are asking swing and mango tree. Again they are asking, first they are asking swing to mango tree, and previous they were asking mango tree and swing. So children, mango tree and swing is 20 plus 30, that is 50 meter. But when they are asking from swing and mango tree, that is 30 meter. Okay children, who is closer to the entrance gate? Now you can have a look. I hope Geeta is closer to the entrance gate because Gaurav is 50 meter. Okay. Now come to our questions. Mango tree and swing. So children, mango tree and swing, what we are going to write? 20 plus 30, that is 50 meter. Gaurav and hand pump, that is children 18 meter, that is 18 meter. 18 meter. Next, Geeta and entrance gate children. Geeta and entrance gate we see 25 meter. Next, swing and mango tree. When they are talking for swing and mango tree, children, that is only 30 meter. Okay. Next, which is closer to entrance gate? So children, your answer is Geeta. You will write here Geeta because Geeta is closer 25 meter and Gaurav is 50 meter. So children, you will write here only Geeta. I hope this is clear to you. Okay children. Now come to this. This we have done. I have given you centimeter. Okay, meter to convert in centimeter. How you will convert? I hope this is clear to you, but one I will tell you, one is done for you. So children, when you are going to convert in centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. So what you are going to do children? Like 4 into 100 centimeter is equals to 400 centimeter. You can see. Now children, same for next you are going to do. Like your 8 is given. So what you will do? 8 into 100 is equals to 800 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Same you will do 9 into 100, that is 900 centimeter. 10 into 100, that is 1000 centimeter. 6 into 100, that is 600 centimeter. Children, I hope this is clear to you. Length of your hand. Now you have to see length of your hand. Children, you can use measuring tape. You can take help your mother to measure your hand. Okay, centimeter, meter, like you are going to convert that. Height of your friend. Children, height of friend, that is in inches. When we are going to convert in centimeter, then you can convert according to it. Like someone height is 5 foot 4 inch, so it is 160 centimeter, 160 or 164. Okay, centimeter. So same way you have to convert it. You can see it. What is height? You can write height of your brother or sister also instead of friend. Okay, so written only friend, but you can write height of your brother or sister also. Understood? Length of the bed sheet, your mother will help you. Length of the bed sheet, with the help of measuring tape you are going to measure, and you will write here. Length of the dining table. Length means lambai, you know na, length means lambai. And width of your window means chaudai. Width of your window is chaudai. I show you at once what is length and what is width. Look children. Children, look. This is your length. This is your length of any table. And children, what is your width? Width is your this portion. This portion is your width. Okay, चौड़ाई को हम width कहते हैं और लंबाई को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Length. Understood? I hope this is clear to you. Now come to next question. Now match the correct length. Children, in this first you are going to correct this. Instead of 16 you are going to write it is 160 centimeter. It is not 16 centimeter. You have to write 160 centimeter. Okay children. Now come to our question. Height of woman is, inches are converted into centimeter. So height of woman is 160 centimeter. Length of finger is 5 centimeter. Distance from home to market, that is 1 kilometer. And length of cloth required to make a skirt, that is 2 meter. Okay children, I hope this is clear to you, or you can write down the numbering also. Like height of woman is 160 centimeter. So you will write here 1. Length of finger is 5 centimeter. You will write here 2. Distance from home to market, you will write here 3, 1 kilometer. Length of cloth required to make a skirt, that is 2 meters. So you will write here 4. I hope children this is clear to you. Now come to our next question. Use the scale in your geometry box to measure the parts of cow. Children, now you are going to measure parts of cow with the help of scale. So children, length of cow tail. I will show you You will measure only like that. You are going to measure length of cow tail. Okay, so children, we are going to measuring from here to this. It is coming children, it is coming near about, it is 4 centimeter. You can write 4 centimeter. What you will write? 4 centimeter. Like this you will write. Okay. Cow leg. Now you will measure cow leg. It is children 2 centimeter. You will write 2 centimeter. Next, how wide is its ear? Children, they are talking about wide. Wide means this. Wide means this. Okay. So we are going to measure, that is half centimeter. This is half centimeter. How long is its face? Now we are going to measure her face. That is 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter. Which is the shortest part of cow? So children, sorry, it is clear to you. Shortest part is ear. You will write here ear. Ear is the shortest part. Rest of the part is long. So the shortest part is our ear. So your first answer is length of cow tail, that is 4 centimeter. Length of cow leg 2 centimeter. How wide is its ear? Half centimeter. How long is its face? That is 3 centimeter. Which is the shortest part of the cow? That is ear. That is ear. So children, I hope this is clear to you, how you are going to measure. Okay, and what objects you will take to measure the things. Understood? Hand span is this, finger is this, foot span is your foot. And 2 correction we have did. Instead of 16 centimeter, that is 160 centimeter. And in door we have written using yes, hand span. Okay, you have to cut foot span and you will write hand span. So children, work you will do in your workbook only. Understood? You are not need to do in your notebook. When I am giving you Friday home assignment, that you are going to do date wise in your notebook, and what questions I will tell of book, that you will do in your notebook. So workbook questions you will do in the same workbook only. I hope this is clear to you. So children, revise this chapter and do very neatly in your book. So children, rest we will continue in our next class. So thank you for that.